This is your battle buddy in your pocket. Let's set the scene. Behind the wire, everyone needs backup, but sometimes the people you'd usually turn to aren't available, or you don't want to explain everything face to face. That's where the Be Hard to Hack app steps in. It's designed as your digital battle buddy, quiet, fast, and always available when things start to feel heavy or unclear. It gives you support in the moment, not a week later when you've already hit the wall. The potential impact. Having practical tools at your fingertips keeps you in control. Whether you need a short reset, quick advice, or a calm space to offload your thoughts, the app is your first line of support. And when the situation calls for more, it helps you connect easily with welfare or professional help. Let's keep this super simple. 1. Open the Battle Buddy chat for instant, private guidance. It's secure, stigma-free, and available anytime. 2. Tap the video shorts for fast, tactical lessons when you need clarity or grounding. 3. Explore all modules through the Videos tab. Take what you need when you need it. 4. Save your favorite clips or drills for quick access on tough days. 5. Use the app as a bridge. If you realize you need more help, it can guide you to the right welfare or medical contact discreetly. Why this will make you hard to hack. Resilience isn't about doing everything alone, it's about knowing where to turn when things get loud. The app keeps your support close, quiet, and constant. It's your backup in your pocket, proof that looking after yourself is tactical, not soft. Next up. You've completed before you begin. Watch this first. Next, we move into Module 2. You're not weak, you're wounded. See you in the next video.